Okay, look at this question. Notice that this is in y equals mx plus b format, but it says I want this in general form. But remember, no fractions. And lo and behold, what do I got there? A fraction. What am I going to do? Well, it's really simple. Think about it. If you want to get rid of this 3 down here, all you have to do is multiply both sides by 3. Why? Well, look at this. If I have minus 2/3 here and I multiply it by 3, look what happens. This gives you minus 6 over 3, which now is minus 2. But have you ever heard this saying before? What you do to the right side, you gotta do to the left side. So you gotta multiply both sides by 3, and that'll eliminate this fraction. So put a little note down for yourself somewhere. By multiplying both sides by the denominator, okay, and I'll let you finish this off. Multiplying both sides by the denominator, I suddenly can get rid of that denominator and make them all nice whole numbers. Okay, what do I mean? Well, here we go. 3 times y is just 3y. Here we go. Dun da da da, dun da da da. Okay, so minus 2/3 times 3, I already still have it here, we know is minus 2. So this is going to give you, let me get rid of that, minus 2x, and look how easy this is. 3 times 6, well, that's just plus 18. But now, remember the other thing about general form? It has to be an ax plus by plus c. It all has to equal to 0. This guy has to be a whole number. So in other words, no negatives. Well, that's going to be real easy to do. Check this out. I'm going to take this guy and this guy, and I'm going to bring them both over to the other side. Why am I doing that? Because this guy's negative. By bringing it over to the other side, yep, it makes it a positive. So check this out. Here comes my 2x, which is now a positive. There's my 3y, which was positive to begin with. Bringing the 18 over, I got to make it a negative, and look at that. It all equals to 0, and there's my general form. Woohoo! So in order to get the general form to work really, really nice for you, don't forget that you have to multiply by the common denominator. And you multiply one side, you multiply the other, okay? Now, this also said we need to graph this. So you know what I'm going to do? I can graph this now either using this old formula right here with y equals mx plus b, or I can graph this now using our general form and using the intercepts method. I'm going to use the intercepts method. Why? I think I've done enough of these. All right, so let's use the intercept method. So here's our equation, 2x plus 3y minus 18. Let's use the intercepts, okay? So x-intercept, yep, y equals to 0, which means, guess what? That guy right here is gone. So this leaves you 2x minus 18 equals to 0, right? Don't forget this was originally equaling to 0, all right? So bringing the 18 over, 2x equals to 18, dividing it by 2, x equals to 9. There it is. Beautiful. So we know our intercept is x equals to 9, and I'm just going to plug a point right there. Now, do the other one. Y-intercept means x equals to 0. That means this guy is gone. Okay, leaving you with 3y minus 18 equals to 0. Bring the 18 over. So 3y equals to 18. Divide by 3, y equals to 6, which we knew it was the intercept because look, there's the 6 right there still in the formula. So let's put that on our graph right up there. There's the 6, and there's a beautiful line that connects the two right there. And you can prove this using this formula because you know and I know you start at the y-intercept, which is 6, right? Okay, down 2 over 3, down 2, 1, 2 over 3, 1, 2, 3, and look at that, it's on that line all the way through right there. So it's a really, really nice way to use this. You can verify using technology if you want to, but I think, my goodness, I use 2 different ways of graphing this thing. I think I'm right.